Hello everyone, welcome back to Shiva Priya EduWorld. Many students feel scared about VTU CSE lab exams, but trust me, lab exams are actually very easy if you prepare smartly. In this video, I'll explain that how to prepare for your VTU CSE lab exams and how you can score easily. Clear? Let us start this video. Before starting this video, if you are new to my channel Shiva Priya EduWorld, then please subscribe to it for more videos like this. That will be a motivation for me to create even more videos which will helpful to. First, let's understand the lab exam pattern. In the lab exam, only one program will be given. You must write the correct logic in the exam. Program execution and output is very important, that your program should execute properly and give correct output as well. Viva questions here, this is a very important thing. After that, the examiner will ask you Viva questions from the same program only. You have to prepare whichever the program you got in your exam, based on that program only the examiner will ask you the Viva questions. Now listen carefully, this is very important tip. Don't just read the programs from your record or PDF. You must practice writing the program. Then only you can understand it. Clear? Write the program by hand at least 2 to 3 times. Then only you can easily remember that. And practice in lab system or any compiler. And you have to focus both on syntax and logic. Clear? Here VTU checks the both the syntax and execution. That's why you have to focus on the syntax, and they don't give marks for only logic. They check whether your program runs properly or not, correctly or not. Then only they'll consider it. Clear? And the next thing is learn output properly. Many students ignore the output, and output is very important, that you have to learn. Always know what output your program gives and practice with the sample inputs. And even if output is slightly different, don't panic. Understand each line of code. This is very important. Try to understand each line of code and its output. Many students lose marks only due to wrong output. That's why focus on output as well. Clear? And the next one is comments and indentation. This also matters, because if you write the proper comments to that particular line of code, you will understand that easily. Clear? Use clear indentations. By that you will get errors. If you don't use the indentations, you will get the errors in your code. Write meaningful variable names as well. If you don't write the comment lines also, it's fine. But if you maintain this, it will create a good impression on the examiner. That's why you have to maintain this. Clear? This creates a good impression on the examiner, and it also helps you during Viva. Clear? And one more most important strategy is Viva preparation. Examiner usually asks why you use this logic only, and what is this function, what is the use of this variable, can you modify this program. These are all the most repeated questions asked by the examiner in Viva. So always understand why, not just what. Clear? If you go through in detail, you can easily answer for any question in Viva. Now the most important strategy for VTU lab exam is focus on most important programs first. That means do not start randomly. Many students make these mistakes for starting preparation randomly. Don't do that. First, give highest priority to the most important topics. Those are arrays, strings, functions, recursion, structures, classes, file handling, searching, sorting, and basic OOPS concept, that is classes, objects, and inheritance. These are all the most important topics. You have to focus on these first, high priority for these topics, because VTU repeatedly ask the programs for these areas. Clear? Once these core programs are clear, then you can try all the remaining programs also for confidence and backup. Once the basics are strong, you can easily prepare for the remaining programs easily. Remember, strong basics first and full coverage next. This is the smartest way to prepare for the VTU lab exams. Clear? And one more major important thing is time management in lab exam. This is also very important. You have enough time in your lab exam, but how to manage it? Let us understand. First, read the question fully. You have to read the question completely and understand it. Plan the logic in mind. Write the program step by step. You have to write it and compile it in your system. And don't wait till last minute. Compile it and execute it, and ask your examiner to check the logic and everything, execution as well. Whatever the output you will get, you have to copy that into your sheets, answer sheets. Then keep last 10 minutes for checking that everything is properly running or not, and you have written the correct output or not. You have to check that. After that, you have to tell your examiner that you are done with it. Clear? And the next one is the common mistakes to avoid. Now I'll tell you some very common mistakes that you have to avoid in your exams. Here, copying without understanding. You have to understand the program logic. Then only you can easily crack your lab exam. If you understand the logic, that's more than enough. You can easily write down in your exam if you get any lab program. Clear? Forgetting the headers or inputs. You have to remember the inputs and headers clearly. For which program, what are all the headers you have to write down, and the inputs as well. Missing semicolons or brackets. This is the major mistake that many students have to avoid. You will forget semicolons, brackets and all. You have to avoid this. Remember the semicolons, brackets, everything properly. Not checking the output before submission. Before submission, you have to write the output. You have to check the output whether it is working properly or not, whether this is the proper output or not. After that, you have to submit it. Poor indentation and no comments. You have to write down the comment lines for better understand, and indentation for no errors. Unable to explain the logic in Viva. You have to explain the logic if it is asked. That's why you have to understand the program's logic. Case sensitive mistakes. Here A and A are different. If I have used number with capital N and number with small n, both the variables are different. Clear? Variable names and keywords, you have to be very careful with those. Clear? If whatever you have used it, the smaller capital letter, you have to use the same in later as well. Clear? And forgetting to save before running. This is a common mistake that everyone will do. Do not do this. You have to save before running. Clear? If you avoid these mistakes, then you will get zero errors in your program while executing. Clear? And the last one is, I'll tell you one golden tip for your lab exam. If you understand 8 to 10 core programs, logic in deep, you can easily handle any lab question easily. Which means if you understand 8 to 10, the most important, the core programs in deeply, you can handle any lab question easily. If you found this video helpful even 1%, then like this video and comment below. And subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you want me to explain any particular subject or topic, comment below, let me know. Your like, share and comment will motivate me to create even more videos which will helpful to you. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.